Hello everyone, I'm here again making bread. Today I'm making Spanish bread, and now I just put the liquid inside the bread maker and then followed by the dry ingredients. So I just sit tight and wait for the dough for the bread, Spanish bread. Okay guys, I just put all the dry ingredients. Now I have to set it up for a dough. So now I'm closing the lid, and I have to go to the menu and then look for number 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay, number 9. Now set it to start. And then I just have to sit down and just wait. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, so the dough is making there. Look at that. So I can do whatever I want now while waiting. So see you soon. Okay guys, my dough is ready for making rolls. So yep. And my daughter here is making the filling made of brown sugar and cinnamon. Yep. Melting butter. See you later. So here it is. I just divided it into two and will be cutting it and form into a Spanish rolls. See you later. So I'm putting the filling now and roll it. So filling now like this and then roll it. Probably small, maybe I may have to make it longer guys. Okay, 1. So here's the Spanish bread. It's done. Yummy. Yummy? Yeah, so yummy. Look at that. With cinnamon, sugar. Thank you for watching. So guys, the recipe is down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.